In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from 1688-2025, step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the site or app and getting your products shipped to a China address for forwarding. First, head to 16888.com or open the 1688 app. If you don't read Chinese, turn on your browser's translate feature to help with navigation. For the best search results, use Chinese keywords or use the image search to find visually similar products. Open a product listing and look closely at a few essentials. Check the MOQ or minimum order quantity so you know the smallest amount you can buy. Review the price tiers since the unit price often drops when you order more. Look at the supplier's rating and how many years they've been active, and scan reviews with real photos to gauge quality and consistency. Before you place anything, contact the supplier using the Lianxi My Job button. Ask about current stock, whether the MOQ is flexible, the real unit price for your exact quantity, packaging options, and if they can deliver to your China warehouse or agent address. Getting these confirmations up front dramatically reduces the chance of cancellations or price changes later. Keep your messages clear and include product specs, colors, and any deadlines. When you're ready, select the product details. Choose the color, size, or model you want, enter your quantity, and confirm that the price shown matches your selection. If everything looks right, click Li Ji Xia Dan to order now, or choose Jia Rujin Huo Dan to add it to your cart and continue shopping. Next, add or select your shipping address. Use your China warehouse or agent address since 1688 does not ship internationally. Double-check the province and city and ensure the phone number on the address is correct. If your warehouse gave you a reference code, include it as they instruct. Set this as your default address if you'll use it again. For payment, the most reliable route for international buyers is a buying agent. Copy the product link, send it to your agent, and they'll place and pay for the order. The seller ships to the agent's warehouse, and you avoid Alipay verification issues. If you choose to pay directly with Alipay, you'll need a fully verified account and a China-linked card or bank. This often fails for overseas users, so proceed only if you meet the requirements. Finally, review your order summary, confirm the price, address, and quantity, then click Tijiao Dingdan and complete payment, or let your agent handle it. To track progress, go to Wode Dingdan, open the order, and view the shipping status, tracking number, and any messages from the seller.